What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We Hustle Daily, man. Welcome back to another throwback video, man. In these throwback videos, I just take you, on a little journey of what I've had in the past and what I've sold the car for, just until the state inspects my auction space, man. They told me 15 business days. We're almost coming up on 15 business days, man. They're taking their precious time, but I will be taking you guys to the auction with me and everything, you know what I'm saying? I will be recording everything, showing you guys how to buy and sell cars, just taking you guys on a whole journey. Back to the throwback video though, this is a 2003 GMC Envoy SLT. Now, as you can see that the window did have a little, whoever owned the car, they had the little window, sealed up with some plastic and a little bit of, I forgot what you call that stuff. I'm probably gonna show it in a minute, but yeah, man, they had the window sealed up. So I just, I left it like that. I didn't do anything to this truck. Tires wasn't that good, as you can see. Not sure if any of the tires were actually good on this truck, but yeah, as you can see, yeah, they wasn't good, man. But I paid cheap for this car, man. I paid like $777 for it. That's all I paid. So almost $800, man. That's all I paid for this bad boy. I did end up selling this bad boy for $1,500, but let me just go ahead and tell you guys that this truck had 303,000 miles. That's right. I said 303,000 miles. And as you can see the window, whoever had the truck, they just, put some little concoction together and, just wanted to seal the window like that. So I left it like that, man. I didn't do nothing to this truck at all. I literally bought it and I sold it. As you can see, the little door panel right there wasn't in the best condition. But leather was a little, it didn't have any rips on it, but as you can see, it was a little worn. But yeah, man, 303,000 miles. If I told you guys about those Vortec motors that's in them Chevy Silverados, GMCs, Siennas, and the Envoys, just the Vortec motors, you know what I'm saying? These motors, S10s, these motors last pretty long. This was the V6 though, so I think it was like the 4.3. But other than that, man, this truck was nice, man. $777 got me $1,500 for this truck. Like I say, wasn't nothing wrong with the truck. It just had 333,000 miles on it. I knew I wasn't going to get that much money for it because the miles were very, very high. I did make some money off of it and I paid cheap for it. So this was a very good buy. And as you can see, the truck was very clean. Very clean. Leather was nice. Everything was pretty good on this truck besides the miles, man. The AC worked. The heat worked. You know what I mean? Everything was good to go, man. It was just 303. But, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. This was a nice truck, man. So, and guys, that's another thing. Like, some people, they be scared to buy cars with look at that. It even had it had the TV and everything in that bad boy. That's another thing, guys. Some people be scared to buy, like cars with a whole bunch of miles on it. Man, listen, if the car is good, I'll buy it, man. If I go and I check it out, I don't care what the miles can say 500,000. If I go and I check it out and it's good to go, I'll buy it, man, as long as I get it for a good price, you know what I'm saying? And people will buy it too, just don't think just because a car got 1,000,000 miles on it that, somebody don't want it. No, somebody do want it for the right price, guys. So that's probably why, that's why I bought this car. I know you guys probably like, why did this guy buy a car with 303,000 miles, man? But hey, man, it worked out for me, man. So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about cars with, big miles on it like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think. I like your, input. I value you guys' input. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching the videos on my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So please help me out, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one.